And we may soon be getting a glimpse of what Gordon has to offer, I guess, as it is moving quick.
That's right. Yeah, pretty good clip at 17 miles per hour. And it looks like we're going to maybe have some coastal heavy wet weather at times as we go through this evening. Let's check out the latest on Gordon right now. Here's the latest radar. You can see that counterclockwise swirl with the rain. That's the green, the yellows, the oranges, even some reds mixed in there, but it is moving fairly quickly at 17 miles per hour as it continues to move to the west and the northwest. But the heaviest wet weather right now on the radar is well to our south, kind of edging into south and to the west of Charlotte County. You can see also Naples really getting sucked. If you are taking I-75 going southbound, you may run into a wall of water here because it is really coming down for folks there. Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, we have a steady rain shower, and it looks like it's kind of hit or miss as far as the pockets of heavy rain for the Suncoast. Down south, though, a little more widespread. Well, the Storm Prediction Center does have us under a marginal risk of some severe weather. Maybe one or two of these storms could be on the stronger side, but that's going to be very minimal, I think, for us, at least along the Suncoast. If you are going southbound on 75, maybe towards Alligator Alley, well, there's a better chance of running into some of those stronger storms. Here's the latest plot, and all the models agree that this is going to continue on this westerly, northwesterly trek and could make landfall somewhere late tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning along the northern Gulf Coast, maybe the mouth of the Mississippi River. Of course, we'll watch this pretty closely. Here's the wind field as far as the tropical storm force winds, kind of edging on the very western edge of Sanibel Island. But as you can see, as this moves further to the west and northwest, it pulls that wind with it, and Gordon will basically be out of the picture as we get into tomorrow. Still stirring up the Gulf of Mexico with some gusty winds, but I think as far as the heaviest rain, we'll still get a share of shower activity for tomorrow, but as you can see, the Futurecast kind of pulls all this heavy wet weather away from us. Still could get some coastal heavy showers tonight into early tomorrow morning, but most of this activity does pull well to the west and northwest of us. As far as expected rainfall, anywhere from a ½ inch to 1.5 inches in some spots, maybe around Hardee County and central Manatee County along the coast here, maybe around Inglewood, we could get some heavier wet weather. Winds also a big story out of the east right now, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour. Possibly we could get some of those higher wind gusts at 25 miles per hour. Some other things to talk about here in the tropics. Well, we have a tropical wave that just came off the coast of Africa today and another tropical storm. This is Florence. Sustained winds of 70 miles per hour. Where is Florence going? Looks to kind of bank up towards the north and west, but some computer forecasting models have this area of high pressure in the central northern part of the Atlantic pushing down on Florence, making Florence make more of a southerly and westerly track. So we'll have to watch that over the next several days, but that's still several days away. Right now it's 79 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. The Almanac, our high today topped out at 86. Rainfall, 0.14 inches of rain today. Low tonight, 76. It'll be a little muggy out there. Also gusty winds. Watch out for the heavy rain. 89 degrees for a high tomorrow. We're going to have on and off showers as we go through the next several days. Then by the end of the weekend and early next week, that's the best chance for widespread sunshine along the Suncoast. Back to you.
All right, Josh, thank you.